Hello, Lucid Humans. I just wanted to give you a quick little garden tour of a really easy permaculture, regenerative agriculture project you could start in your own backyard. So I've got these 1-foot rows here. This is going to help me walk around, and so I can bend down and work on the garden without actually stepping on the soil, because we don't want to compact that nice fluffy, rich, aerated soil that we're building up. And then these Tupperware are actually my kind of makeshift greenhouses. So I'm holding it down with a brick so that they don't go everywhere, because they are lightweight, and we do have some wind. So I just undo the Tupperware. There's some water on here, so it's a little heavy. And there's my little seeds. So I have reused all these little containers, these yogurt containers, and then I cut up a cereal box and used those to label my seeds. So there's a little sprout right there, and then you can just simply close it, seal it, put a couple bricks on top to hold it down, and there you go. You've got an easy DIY greenhouse. So some other containers that work really well, instead of buying brand new plastic seed flats, you can use all kinds of little containers like this, ice cream containers. You can use those terracotta dishes, any kind of plastic. And oh my gosh, so exciting, little seeds are coming up. So these do need to be watered, so check on them every couple of days. Make sure that the soil stays moist, and it will retain some moisture in there too. Like, you can see all this condensation. So there's a quick and easy tour.